الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الكهف أفحسب الذين كفروا أن يتخذوا عبادي من دوني أولياء إنا أعتدنا جهنم للكافرين نزلا. Translation. Then do the disbeliever think they can choose my servants as guardians for themselves instead of me? Indeed, we have prepared Jahannam hell for the disbelievers as lodging to welcome, meaning those polytheists who worship the slaves of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like Jesus alayhi salam, like Uzair alayhi salam, like Gabriel or Jibreel alayhi salam, or other angels. Do they think that worshipping these slaves of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, these servants of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, will make them stand for them against Allah? Impossible. These slaves of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are 100% monotheists, and they don't do any shirk, and they are fed up and tired of this attitude of these polytheists who are worshipping them. They don't want to be worshipped, they just want to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this is their status and this is their position. So these servants of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be of no help for these polytheists, and we know that these polytheists include the Christians who are worshipping Jesus alayhi salam, who himself is a slave and prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Similarly, a group of Jews worshipped Uzair alayhi salam, and the polytheists of Mecca used to worship the angels, and they named these angels as females, like daughters of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, na'udzu billah, and they named them accordingly, like Lat and Uzza and Manat, etc. So these polytheists must not be in any doubt that they will get any help. The only thing they will get will be the punishment of hellfire, the humiliating and painful punishment that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give them, and this will be a welcome gift for them in the hereafter. Oh Allah, save us from any hint of shirk. Oh Allah, save us from any polytheism. Oh Allah, make us 100% muwahideen, the monotheists. Ameen. Oh Allah, help Muslims. Oh Allah, unite Muslims. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.